Hey, what's going on? This is your weekend gardener, and I'm out here in the garage. I'm doing some planting of peppers today. Yesterday I did watermelon. The day before that I did tomato. I did those in cups, and I did it with cocoa core. Today I'm doing this with leaf mold. I had a delivery yesterday, and how I'm doing, keeping track of my peppers is I'm writing the numbers and I'm writing the corresponding pepper. So the pepper, here's the number, so that way I won't get confused. And then after that, I put these in pots and I label them. So they're going here, and these bags I got offline, and I think this is a great idea. I like these better than the cups because the roots can still breathe. It's easy. I believe this is biodegradable, and I could just drop it right in the ground. Whereas the cups, I had to take them out, and I have to do this, and I'm not doing that. So I'm on number 5 now, and number 5 is going to be that I'm going to plant. It's going to be some sweet banana peppers. So all right, and that's number 5. So this is a new way I think I'm going to adopt this way. Not sure how many I'm going to do, but this is the gist of it. This year, what I'm doing different is I'm doing way more seeds than I normally would do. I'm not doing 3 or 4 of each plant. I'm doing as many as I can because what's been happening is not everything produces fruit or vegetables. Hey, PG. I got my Porkshire down there. My Porky. What's up, buddy? I know you want to help. So, this is the kind of the toughest part, the dirty part. Got to do it by hand, and right now I tried to do it with the spoon, but it just took too long. So this is the process. Once all the bags are full, then I start the seeds, and then I put them inside there, inside the tote. And I want to say I got that tote for $6. It's not bad. Not bad at all. And then, like I said, I'm going to put this in my grow tent and keep the grow tent warm. And once we start getting seeds, then I'm going to run the light cycle every 6 to 8 hours. Lights on. Possibly at night, I'm going to do it before I go to bed. And then when I wake up, I turn it off during the day. Like I said earlier, this is leaf mold. I used this stuff last year, and I don't know if you saw my video with the squash, but that squash was amazing. I had one squash seed, and it turned out to be almost 8 feet wide. And I think I had a total of 9 large squash plants or fruit off of that plant. That's the most I've ever gotten. So I think the ingredient is this right here. I think this ingredient right here is my winner. Okay, one more. I got a few more peppers to do. I know a lot of you out there love peppers. Okay. Sweet banana. I do like the sweet banana peppers. And all I do is shove it in the dirt a few inches, pop them in. It's just that easy. Pop it in, cover it. Bless you. Was that a cough, a sneeze, or was that a bark? I think that was a bark. Okay. So far I have giant Marconi, Italian pepperoncini, purple peppers, orange peppers, and sweet bananas. And if we do well, these peppers are gonna actually go into canning. Okay, these are my, I believe it's ancho peppers. That's gonna be number 6. The thing I like about these mesh bags is they take up way less space than a cup, because you know a cup doesn't bend so much, it doesn't give so much. These right here, you could just squeeze everything in. I love it. It's nice. Look at that. Just squeeze them in. Come on, buddy, get in here. Look at that. Yes. Whew. Got a lot more to go. So stay tuned. Next step, we're gonna